Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about the different ways to integrate Ethereum Web3 wallets into your web applications. Okay, so this is the first video in a series of videos where we will explore how to integrate and leverage Web3 into your web applications using JavaScript. This video will just be an introduction to what Web3 integration is and a quick look at the web libraries that facilitate the integration of our web apps to interact with blockchains from within our web apps. This can include things like signing transactions, reading data from smart contracts, and more. By using these libraries, you're essentially making partly or fully decentralized app or dApp. Okay, so with that out of the way, now let's talk about the different libraries that make it easy to integrate Web3 into your web applications. Um, we will be comparing injected wallets, uh, Web3 Model V1, Web3 Model V2, and wagme.sh, uh, which is just a core library, and you will have to um, add on a UI kit library, something like Rainbow Kit and Connect Kit. Yeah, this is by no means an exhaustive list of libraries and are just the libraries that I have personally used and I believe are the most widely used. Okay, so with that, let's go into the injected wallet. So injected wallets just means that if you have a browser extension, so for example, if you have MetaMask installed in your browser, uh, what these extensions do is that they provide a Web3 object, so they kind of inject a a Web3 object that you can directly use uh, and access via JavaScript, and you access them via JavaScript into your web app. Okay, injected wallets are wallets that are already installed on a user's device, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. And yeah, so for example, this is a sample uh, dApp. Um, uh, this is hosted on MetaMask GitHub. So this from the MetaMask team. So basically, what we can do is we can connect, and it will open up my MetaMask. Uh, yeah, so it directly interacts uh, with um, with the wallet itself without any intermediary libraries or intermediate libraries. So yeah, it can basically takes reads directly from the wallet. Because it reads directly from the wallet, you will have the widest available number of functionality. Uh, yeah, but it's just not MetaMask though. You can also have other wallets like I said, Trust Wallet, or even Coinbase's self custody wallet. Uh, yeah, the problem with injected wallets is that you are only connecting to one type of wallet, and I'm not sure how similar their APIs are. So, for example, if you want to support both MetaMask and Coinbase wallet, um, they might have different APIs. So you will have to account for that. Okay. So these are the injected wallets. Okay. Uh, so I said the limitation of injected wallets is that you can only interact with one wallet for your code base. Okay. Um, web Web3 modal, which we will talk about next, um, partially solves that problem. So okay. But before that, I'm gonna include all these links in the description, so you will be able to open this and try this out yourself. Okay, and also we will be discussing like um the exact details of how to use these libraries in your code. But for now, we're just checking these demos out. So let's move on to Web3 modal. And yeah, this Web3 modal, oh, this this is actually in production, and I am the one who wrote this. Okay, so if we click on connect here, it actually opens like this modal, and then it can, as you can notice, it's just not MetaMask. It has Wallet Connect, so you have the um, option to connect to other wallets, not just MetaMask. So this is the main um, this is the main uh, benefit of using Web3 modal, because you can connect to other wallets as well. And it's just not limited to MetaMask and Wallet Connect. And you have all sorts of plugins that you can connect to. Uh, I believe one of the examples is Taurus Wallet. And yeah, we will discuss it later on when we get to Web3 modal section of this video series. But yeah, you can connect all sorts of plugin. You can also have the Coinbase wallet. So just one library, uh, you can support a wide range of wallets. Connect. So that sort of thing. Okay. And after Web3 modal, this is actually the old one, version 1. Web3 modal version 2 is this one. And again, I will include the links in the video description. But yeah, supposedly, after reading the docs of Web3 modal version 2, it's pretty similar to version 1, except that it supposedly supports um, blockchains outside Ethereum or outside EVM compatible wallets. So um, I believe their first blockchain apart from Ethereum is Solana. So yeah, it basically works similarly um, to Web3 modal version 1. You have all sorts of wallets here. You can click view all, and you have all sorts of wallet here. Let's try MetaMask. If we can connect, yeah, that's what it does. That's what it looks like. And you can have all sorts of um, different kinds of themes. Uh, this actually looks. I think I've tried to implement this before, but really, my main gripe about it is that there's the Wallet Connect branding is like too in your face, and I don't really like this design here, like this moving colors kind of thing. It doesn't look good to me, and to one of my clients that I've talked to, they didn't particularly like it, that the Wallet Connect branding is too in your face. I'm not sure if there's uh if if it's easy to remove it, but yeah, the Wallet Connect branding is just too much, and I believe it doesn't look good. So that was the only reason why we had that stopped us from fully migrating into Wallet Connect. Mm, Customization is pretty yeah, it's not that great, but otherwise the features are pretty good, I believe. Okay, so that is Web3 modal. I believe you can use these um in React as well as vanilla JavaScript. So yeah, injected wallets you can use on the widest range of um like ecosystems, development, tech stacks. So the injected wallets you can use pretty much where anywhere where JavaScript is accessible. Uh, Web3 modal, you can also use it on vanilla JavaScript, but it's a lot nicer to use with libraries like React. Okay, and yeah, we will discuss that in detail um, in the succeeding videos. Okay, the last one we're gonna talk about, actually not the, I mean, it's kind of weird because they're kind of like combo libraries, but the core one that we need to discuss is WAGMI. So WAGMI is a library that um, gives us React hooks for Ethereum. So right off the bat, I wouldn't. I mean, they have a core library that you could use with um, mm, development tech stacks that do not use React. Let's say, but just vanilla JavaScript. But for you to make the most of this library, you should be using React, and it just makes everything. Uh, it just makes the development process so much better in my view. It makes everything easier, and we will get into that in the succeeding videos. But in terms of WAGMI, you actually need additional libraries for this to work. These are just the React hooks. So if you go here and you go to hooks, these are these are the stuff that you use in your code to, like, say if you want to use account and you want to get the connected address, you use this hook. But the UI component of it, there are two UI components that I am comfortable suggesting. These are the two that I know. Actually, I don't know any other UI libraries for WAGMI other than these two. So the first one will be Rainbow Kit. So we can try this demo, and I can connect my wallet. You see, it has a very nice UI, and it supports a ton, like really a lot of wallets. And yeah, there we go. We are connected. I think it can even read. Oh no. Oh yeah, it did read my ENS. Okay, so yeah, that's the um UI kit, Rainbow Kit for WAGMI. Uh-huh. Yeah. And the other UI kit that I use is Connect Kit. It's pretty similar to Rainbow Kit, but I'll show you in a while why I like this better. So here, let me just disconnect. I'm already connected. But yeah, it has dark and light modes. We go dark mode, yeah. Uh, I like Connect Kit a little bit better than Rainbow Kit because it's a little bit easier to customize and it is very minimalist. Like Rainbow Kit has lots of things going for it. Like there's a lot going on here, and it's not the easiest UI kit to customize. Uh, Definitely not easier than Connect Kit. So Connect Kit, it looks a bit cleaner and a bit simpler. But yeah, I go here, MetaMask. Yeah, also it has like a bunch of other, supports a bunch of wallets too, like Coinbase wallet, other wallets. You can use Wallet Connect for that. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I hope you found this video useful. So just to recap, there are multiple ways of integrating um, yeah, Web3 into your web applications. So you can talk to wallets directly using injected wallet like this through just JavaScript. You can also have a little bit of nicer library like Web3 modal version 1. You also have Web3 modal version 2. And then you have the WAGMI libraries. You have Rainbow Kit and you have Connect Kit. I know I almost forgot to mention the nice thing about Connect Kit is that it has sign in with Ethereum libraries inside it. So they also ship with sign in with Ethereum. So let me just show you what sign in with Ethereum does. If you connect your wallet and then next, connect. Yeah, you have a sign in with Ethereum prompt here. And what that does is that it creates cookies or JWT tokens depending on your use case, but it just allows your app to not incessantly ask users for them to sign so that you can verify that they are who they are. So without something like sign in with Ethereum, every time you want to access, your user wants to access some privileged resource, it will have to sign a message like this every time. So think of it like you want to update a profile, but you already signed in. So it just remembers that you already signed a message like this, and then you don't have to do this over and over again. And so with that, I am already signed in. So it's just a nice touch that ConnectKit did, and they already have their own sign in with Ethereum libraries. Uh, I'm sure that we can, this is something that you can implement on your own, but if you do not want to bother with that, you could just simply use this. This is something that ConnectKit has that the other libraries don't have. Okay, so with that, I hope you found this video helpful. And yeah, stay tuned for the next videos where we will dive in deeper into each of this of these Web3 libraries. Okay, see you guys soon. Thanks.